Hello dear learners, welcome back to our Sight Words series. In today's video, we are going to learn another exciting set of sight words. Let's get started. The first word is land. Land. Sentence: It is my land. Say it with me. Land. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is last. Last. Sentence: He is last. Say it with me. Last. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is late. Late. Sentence: I am late. Say it with me. Late. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is left. Left. Sentence: I go left. Say it with me. Left. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is less. Less. Sentence: I have less. Say it with me. Less. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is line. Line. Sentence: It is a line. Say it with me. Line. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is list. List. Sentence: It is a list. Say it with me. List. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is like. Like. Sentence: I like my pet. Say it with me. Like. Now say it by yourself. Good job! Now let's quickly see all the sight words we learned today. I will show them on the screen and you say them quickly. Ready? Go! Excellent work, children. You read all the words so clearly and confidently. Now don't forget to complete the 2 worksheets I've added for you. They'll help you remember today's sight words even better. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next sight word video. Bye-bye.